Previously on Roses and Daggers.
Where are they now?
Right here, making their orders.
Then why isn't he picking my calls?
Your guess is as good as mine.
You know what? You go over there and you give him the phone.
Excuse me?
You heard me.
Whatever shame this brings, whatever consequences there are, you will make it worth it.
I swear it, Dada. I will fight. I will work. I will do anything to excel. Go to school, learn a trade or anything. Agbe.
Agbe.
What are you doing here at this time?
Hadi me base ani. Eta be choke ha na jo na so hu. Obi wo ho mpeso obetu kwan no pa na awia. Na me ma betwen ni mashi omo na maje omo anwumre.
So you sleep here?
Oh, me na ha de me dan bubu. Me ye business me wiam ko da fie. Awo ko hen sabre.
Mind your own business and stop scaring people at night.
Sister Sassy, me anka se dwuma ma ya che. Ti mabom degree. Eni eme ye si ho emi so mu a me hu ne eme wo m nyina. Eni emu duro metimi de ma adwena hu. Ti so obi tu kwan so a metimi se nipa we o tu kwan.
Hey, who told you I'm traveling? Mind your own business for once. See, if you dare break any of this to anybody, you will not take it lightly with me.
Oh, na se wu ni ha. Nti no wachi asem de obedate.
Agbe, why would you mind your own business for once?
Isa se nye se bia me na nkasa no. Me pase mo. Na mre bi me kai pa na juse ya. Ana nti efi me de ne niam akoja no. Oye so okọ hohoi. Ade achi anopa na ne kunu ko hokotwe ne bae. Ngofo se me din krom ha se me ne makotene to. So
Oh, of course you did. Who would have known that she took a car to Hohoi?
Onzo kabi. Ba mon cheke de AKAN so. Krom ha yete semensem. Obi anim obi krom ha. He mate ni driver ni odo bako ni mu busuyanfo nyina. Nti yesa no ugidi se hemfo ne kwa akoka. So wohu ti no me de afutu a metu ne se wo ye me nua prekope. Emfa ka o krom ha ye bete woto. Ko village na etwa ya so no. Na ko fa ka o. Ene e what you out to kwan. Bia hu ba bia wafa. So wohu.
You're making a point.
When your point keke. Ya dot sa ya koma. Me ka se ma trodo. Ma me mo ane.
Hey, where are you going?
Oh. Anyasa, sister Sassy. Ensure hu mejo pan abeja wa bue. Ahanzu bue. We mejo 120 million pe. Mamfa nko jao.
Hey, me catch you. Se wo nim na so ko catch you obi. Se wo hu se me fi ha. Agbe. Bra. Wompe de obe hu wate.
Me sha boka ntam. Se me ka kire nipa me yensa pe. Say ye. Menka why? Dimanim. Yan intem na nkofo hwe ye. Bi betumi ahu ye.
Valerie, please bring back my wife in one piece.
I sure will. Let's go before he finds another reason to keep me here. Bye.
It was the damn traffic. I got there, and they were gone. You know, it's not Festus that I don't trust. It's that woman. Baba, it may take 30 years, 40 or 50. It could take forever. But that woman still has it for Festus. Oh, she can play that little Miss Goody attitude, but I don't buy it. Not one bit.
I'll go. Ame. Mame. Yeah, mama, meba sisi amusha.
Please, how much is your yam?
Byron, a 20 pesos.
Okay, what about your fish?
Or 2 cedis. 1 cedi 50 pesos.
Okay, yam, 2 cedis.
Byron could 2 cedis. Pesheto.
What? He blacklisted me? Moses blacklisted me? Who does he think he is? Sylvia, how much have you made from the salon so far?
Nothing, Ma.
What are you telling me? What do you mean nothing?
I tried calling you several times, but your phone was off. The little we had we used it to buy prepaid, and the tax collector came here too.
What are you telling me? Are you sick in the head? Did I ask you to use my money to settle bills? Are you stupid?
But...
Okay, listen, someone called me that they'll be coming to do their hair at 12 noon. Send me the money right after. Do you understand?
I don't think it's possible, Ma.
Why not?
We went there this morning and then I saw our things packed out. The salon has been locked with a different padlock.
What? Why?
I think it's the landlord. But Ma, do you owe him any rent?
Don't ask me stupid questions. You're a stupid girl. Don't ask me stupid questions. Moses, damn you and you're your middle class saloon. Damn you.
We all know you're not looking for anything in that wardrobe. You got my attention.
Did you see my calls?
Yes, I did.
And?
Is this about me not picking your calls? Marjorie, I've caught your calls more than I can remember. And you know why.
Ah, yes. But I never knew that by in a meeting, you mean this. So, are you now ready to tell me why you cut my call and eventually put off your phone?
Marjorie?
What? Are you going to tell me I'm making a mountain out of nothing?
I'm sorry.
I didn't ask for your empty apology. What I want to know is why you thought that your quiet, beautiful, precious moments with her were more important than your wife's calls.
I thought you wouldn't understand.
Understand what?
Listen, you can't be carrying all these past old events all your life.
I carry them because you give me reason to. She tried to steal you from me once. That won't happen again. After all these years, Festus, really? Am I still supposed to compete with her? Don't.
Sorry, Marjorie. No. It was just a friendly meet-up for dinner and she brought a proposal.
What proposal?
She thought it would have been wise if we team up or if we join forces to bring Valerie and Joshua together.
I have entertained that girl in this house far too long. She is not going to marry my son and bring her mother closer to my home. No!
As Joshua's mother-in-law, she becomes family. And she wouldn't be chasing after me like you think. Think about it.
Yes, I mean, as the Vice President said, this new facility is supposed to improve the quality of health service and most importantly, make access to healthcare, easier, especially for pregnant women and the aged who do not have the capacity to travel several kilometers in order to seek medical assistance. Yeah. As the engineer, I am particularly happy to be a part of this forward-thinking project and also to be a part of, telling the success story for tomorrow. And I promise on my part to work diligently within the given time frame to present to you one of the best facilities, not just in the region, but in the entire country. Yeah. Thank you for granting me this audience. And then please, let me know when you're playing this on air. Yeah, okay then, bye.
Are you sure it's here?
Yes, I'm sure.
And they're still not open by this time?
But her girls are always here even if she's late. They're prompt. Let me give her a call.
Hello?
Hello, Winnie.
Madam Anita. You fixed your hair not long ago. Don't tell me you removed it already.
No, I haven't. And it should only make you happy. It should mean more business for you.
Yeah, yeah, actually. I guess you're right.
Anyway, I'm at your shop. And it's closed. You're not opening today?
I'm having a few issues with the shop, so it's closed for now.
Oh, I see. Wow. So what are we going to do now?
Oh, yeah. I could come and fix it for her at her home.
You would?
Of course I would.
What is she saying?
She's saying she could come home to fix your hair.
Oh, that's nice. That way Zach won't be calling to check up on you.
Exactly. Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you so much. So, I'll give you the directions to my house. Do you have a pen?
Yeah, sure.
Abasema.
Obagine sisa. Why did we obagine sisa?
No, na roto buy 2 cedis. Na mpo 1 tobi. Nta ben sisa. Okay. Bra. This mojo wash me today.
Please, I want to sell for you.
I said,
Please, I want to sell for you.
Niraba. Ibote di banana na be pay juma.
Oso pejima. Nti oso ba kuno ya wo sini. Fa no ko ho.
Igidi.
No nko ye juma ni. Ure try na so e bia obejima ye.
Fa bag ni to na me nyonko me ada shop o ai. Me cho me buy wie na yenko. Auntie Adiza.
Mimra.
Be shema me na me fa ne kombra. Isabayo ma me na. Me tue me kan fa ne ko shop o mra sisia. Na ama na mko akoto no ho.
Dada, madakuku nyamanya afika oyo. Eglo na bo ye sigbota fifi anya tapeto nyamanya afika oyo.
Esena.
Dada.
Tebe edibi aglobe tasasi esia. Si fika.
Awo dada menye nene maolo. Magle na bo ye sisigota. Ale ya no wo fi amele shi obesi because me ekpo mo.
Ai.
Dada mega faviola.
Yeme favio. Akpe, esanam, akpe.
Dada.
Happy. What was that happen?
Dada, me won't have a biao.
What who her?
Daddy, Adan.
My child says,
Hey, Dada. And yes, I'm Casio. Ye, no one waha.
My father, you know.
A handswear.
My chin hanging now.
Dada, only Kumakuma toyam. Minim Sababy, a sister says he will be an on the hoye. Bibi Antono. On says in all your baby. Na kumanka said, Enti baby, our Nambia and Uncle Papa Bonba, Bibi Anton, why?
Hey,
Obeba. Oh, Ti me penamni be a befi, and Timaba when you why? Oh.
Hot.
Samipa, you are too diplomatic. You are with guests and you are buying just for yourself. Come on, please.
No,
give
no,
us
no.
two
Look,
each, okay?
We're fine. We've had lunch already. We're good.
Come on, I'll be greatly offended if you don't take it. Please give us two each.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'll send the proposals in the morning. Yeah, I hope so too. Well, we're off to a good start. I'll forever remain positive. Yeah, okay, so you give me a call in the morning and if you need me to clarify. Sure. Alright, thanks. So what is this we're having?
A gift from our guests.
Oh. Thank you.
Yes, he left not long ago. Said he had a meeting. He knows I can't do anything about that, so that would be his only excuse. I still need to find a way to keep an eye on him. They said they were discussing how to get Joshua and her daughter Valerie together. My immediate reaction, of course, was to say no. But he added something I think is very important. Should the two children get married, Betsy would be Joshua's mother-in-law. We'd practically be family. But you know what they say. Keep your friends close, and your enemies even closer. Anyway, did you go to Ami's granddaughter's baby christening? No, I didn't make it, but I'll go later this afternoon for the party. You know how I love parties. Okay, Baba. I'll see you there this afternoon. Okay, bye-bye.
Yes. Good morning, madam. Please,
I think I'm around here, but I can't locate your house. Okay.
I'm so sorry for making you come all the way. But my friend Valerie is not around. We didn't know you make it this early. But she won't be long, so come in, get rested, have something to eat, and we'll know what to do. Come on in. Please feel free.
Thank you.
Here, have a sit.
Thank you.
Have you had anything to eat yet?
No, thank you, but I'm fine.
Come on. Please feel at home. What shall I serve you?
Well, if you insist, anything you have. You don't have to prepare anything new on my account.
No problem. I'll be back soon.
Thank you.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Oh, sorry. Winifred, this is my husband, Zach. Babe, this is Winifred.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Right. Let me see you for a second. Did you find a house up already?
No, Winifred is here to do Valerie's hair.
But I thought that is the reason you guys went out earlier.
Ago. Amen. Hey, venha pene. Okay, before. Afode. Makwe vi desia.
Efo. Madam Fulba.
Oh. My mother-in-law. I hope everything is fine. This morning's visit is unexpected. Okay. Come in. Come in. Please.
Oh, actually, this is not a certain matter. I am very disturbed this morning.
Is anything wrong with my wife?
Therefore, I'm here to find out if perhaps...
Oh, go.
I want to find out if perhaps Ceci is here.
True. Okay, ma. But Ceci not here. Look over here. This your daughter who has been playing. Look, had a sick with me. What is she coming to do here this morning?
What kind
of question is that?
I woke up this morning. She was gone.
Hey, Peter.
I feel like I'm a wanya.
Oh. Nakimago.
Sasibu.
True. Oh. No.
But don't you let me do. See, I'm a kuku.
Dada. Help you. To do what?
No, my way to make her.
And your man help you to find her. Dada.
Hey.
My free child won't come on to. Hi. I just came from the farm. I had my bath. Coming to look for something to for my stomach. Don't come and upset me this morning.
For many of fenya like pardon you me di Cecilia, Madam Kuku.
Benuka. If you are more than Fafia, or Bobby Mavago, or Honyaga, Maharaga, Nefia, Mavago, and the Mahepo. To go find you, Madame Bunchu, I respect you very much.
For my dear Kuku, put on your dealer. Help me find her for. Hi. Efo.